What I Wish I Knew When I Was 20. A Crash Course on Making Your Place in the World. By Tina Seelig. Strive and the inspiring coincidences will come to you. If you strive, the inspiring coincidences will come to you. Almudden Abbey said, "Not everything that a person wishes for will be achieved. The winds blow in directions that ships do not desire." However, ships today sail with nuclear and solar energy, and they can control their directions, move against the wind, and travel over and under the water. So, do not say that not everything a person wishes for will be achieved. Instead, say that the winds blow as our ships desire, for we are the winds and we are the sea and the ships. Aim for the peaks of things, and you will achieve them. The winds blow as the ships desire. Similarly, we need to venture into the sea, engage in battles, and face new experiences every day that challenge our capabilities and show us the world from a new perspective. The more our problems increase, the more our confidence in ourselves and our ability to turn challenges into opportunities grows. Consider, for example, gold prospecting. It is a journey that requires days and months of work and facing many dangers. Without it, gold would not be discovered. Luck does not knock on doors in vain. If luck does not knock on your door, create a new door and place it in the path of luck. If opportunities do not come to you, create them. If luck does not knock on your door, go to it, as luck is a personal creation. Perhaps a chance will come to you that carries an inspiring coincidence that changes the course of your life and takes your new dreams to distant horizons. Rebel against the current situation. Florence Nightingale said, "Only the wise abide by all laws, and that is why the mad and unconventional change the world." This is what Elon Musk does as he creates the first electric car, the first reusable space rocket, the first internet network in space like Starlink, and the first electronic payment gateway like PayPal. Everything a person wishes for can be achieved because our abilities are limited by the imaginary mental boundaries imposed on us by our cultures and societies. Therefore, we derive our value from superficial and futile matters, such as job titles, monthly salaries, residential areas, or the type of car we own. These factors connect us to false assumptions about our identity and potential. Do you know the secrets of Google, Amazon, Apple, Alibaba, Jumia, Uber, and others? These are institutions whose founders decided to break the rules and solve traditional problems in unconventional ways. What would happen if you did something unconventional? Try tweeting outside the flock and breaking the rule that not everything a person wishes for will be achieved, even in HR matters that always follow routine procedures and methods. There are rules that must be broken, and unconventional approaches should be adopted. Failure is evidence of effort and an opportunity for learning. Yes, everything a person wishes for can be achieved because if you don't succeed in your attempts, you have tried and learned. The more you fail, the more you are still trying, and in each attempt, you will find an opportunity or a lesson that brings you closer to success. Successful people believe that not failing is evidence of not trying, not taking risks, and not experimenting. All great achievements are the result of many attempts. When a child learns to walk, they first crawl, then stand and fall repeatedly, and then take their first steps. There is no sports champion, entrepreneur, or world-changing leader who succeeded in every attempt, let alone the first attempt. Take a deep breath and say, "Everything a person wishes for can be achieved." And say, "The winds blow in the direction that ships may desire." For more information, you can check out summaries of our books on our channel. Thank you for your valuable time.